The P773 trouble code refers to a problem with shift solenoid E electrical in the transmission. Solenoids control fluid flow and pressure, which allows smooth gear shifting. When this code appears, the computer detects an electrical fault in solenoid E's circuit. Possible causes: 1. Faulty shift solenoid E, most common. 2. Damaged or corroded wiring connectors to the solenoid. 3. Dirty or low transmission fluid. 4. Bad transmission control module. TCM or PCM. Rare. How to diagnose and fix? 1. Check transmission fluid. Make sure it's clean and filled properly. 2. Inspect wiring and connectors to solenoid E for looseness, damage, or corrosion. 3. Test solenoid E with a multimeter. Compare its resistance ohms to factory specs. If readings are off, replace the solenoid. 4. Verify voltage supply, usually 12 volts, and good grounding to the solenoid. 5. If wiring and solenoid are fine but the issue persists, inspect the TCM or PCM and check battery voltage and alternator output to ensure proper power.